So today we're going to put the handle, pretty much the finishing step, onto the log holder. This is the Acme thread. On this end I drilled a 3/8 of an inch hole. Started out with a pilot of 5/16 and pretty much centered it right on the center of one of the threads. It's the easiest way to go through. And went through, came out the other side pretty much in the middle of the opposite threads. And then I cut a 5/16 of an inch piece of round material, and it's 6 1/2 inches long. And the next step is heat it up and swedge it over. We'll see if we can get that process caught on tape. First we'll add a little bit of heat. And a little bit of heat. And that's it. She's in. Now for the next step. Okay, so what we have here is our log holder mounted in our cross braces, and of course I cooled off the handle first before I grabbed it, but there it is. Won't come out, and all we have to do is simply slide it in, thread it into the log holder rest. This will all be greased on permanent installation, but when you're making your cut into your pin right here, smooth these off as best you can so you don't tear up your threads in here, because I believe that is brass. Now the next step is to simply put the log holder end onto it and drop in the cotter pin. It's in. We can bend these ends over when we decide we're going to make it permanent. But there, that is not coming off. You turn it out. It's not coming off. Turn it in till it's a log, just like you would. This will spin on there. Oops. We can find some way of holding it steady. Let's see if I can get an angle on it. You can spin it, and it just turns right in. Turn, I guess. Okay. So if you have it on there, it'll stay wherever you want it. You just spin it right in. Again, spin it out. It stays in the position you want, and you don't have to worry about this head coming off. You can drop it. It's not coming off of there. That is my solution to the problem. That's it. Right there, see? This spins on there free. When it's pressed up against the log, no problem. And you're not going to lose that piece. So there you go.